Scéal mhór going ó HQ howtogael because táimid dul ar cámachúirt arís.
Táimid ar an móthir chóide muid I London, muid I bPáras, I ggurcaig agus an Lochlia.
How 2 little sneaky gigs coming to your own Mórine. Register for interest and earn 8 las fihid ggurcaig.
I ggurcaig agus down a Costco am Lochlia. B Lynn, get a ticket and we'll see if we're spicy hamach.
Therein. Bhalatsa tuairt faoi bháisteach trí bhean na Gaeilge. You probably have it already done. Well, the aine eile tá raibhan ar fáildiamh I fiontar agus scoil na Gaeilge in Ollscoil Chathair Bhaile
A scoil idirdisciplinéach ise ó bhfuil antas idirnáisiúnta arthe mar ar ard chaidán na Górsaí is féidirm sa teisteméireacht the University in Louise mar bhí mis tagas I DCU trád á raibh aráin na Gaeilge ach a me tusa a éisteoir a meas na géad scoláirí eile sin cheist.
Well, gach seans go meid tú agus is féidir leat máisteachtaí anmh sa bhanistíocht agus go nó digitach chuirsa almhóig chu do ról mar iontraí nuálaí nó cheanar a technoliaachta.
Nu mas fear leat na halíana cosúlam hénig is féidir leat Emma a dhéanamh a léan na Gaeilge for bro tú skillan na acadúla agus beag mion chiara a dhéanamh agat ar hanga cultúr agus litríoch na Gaeilge.
Mas duine go nócha chu ná bhí buartha. Tartar an Emma a léan na Gaeilge mar chuirsa lán agus part-timesúra. Anas gur féidir leat corfimíocht oibre agus stadéir a bheith gotsa.
Agus mas maclainn ratha tú nó céimí DCU tá laidú defin géad le fáile de hálí.
Féach ar na máisteachtaí Gaeilge a tarfáil in DCU agus ar a gcomharsaí iarchéime eile ar dcu.ie/contusig postgraduate.
Steve Exfalterov, good day, howtogael Lumstern.
Lumsa Louise.
And I don't know why I had a little hesitation there, but I'm feeling kind of blasphemous because Tommy did so in a very glam, very chic church.
Yeah, agus like the ski like knock das ben show. Kai me rog or mohim should go on brand something. I've finally gotten you into the church during.
There you go. Like how many years have we been given out about Catholicism here in Buartha and we finally made it into the church. But the church is in Paris because tá muid in Shushed of live show.
Yeah.
Bars and which is fucking mad.
It's mad, but it's also you can't be saying fucks in the church.
I know, and I haven't. Tamisha Shiggins said a shine to fiddle. Well, I think. It's not like a real
the Lord's
church.
name.
It's like no, but it's like so this is in a cultural centre and it's a chapel. It's a chapel, so it's not like Dina tacht, you know, gach shacht na gor.
I love a chapel.
Yeah, you do.
I love a chapel. If you chapel againn Gaelosha, any of the little Gaelosha girls knows.
What? So were you in secondary school going to the chapel?
Yeah, we'd be in at the whole time. There used to be mass at the start of the year, the middle of the year, the end of the year, the whole shebang. You'd be in doing art classes, so séipéal like a scachrod. If you're in chapel on yes, I should have on Cora Clachta. I'd know nothing about it because they didn't let me in. But yeah, we séipéal because Shanna Clucker of Jan.
Yeah, yeah.
Know.
So why? Okay, yeah. Well,
do you know, it was beautiful. It's like, do you not think that this is
well, this is a very glam church.
Faoi.
Yeah, but this is a very glam church for sure. But I just anyway. Listen, I don't think let's not get dragged into the nitty gritty of Catholicism.
But no, get dragged into the acoustics and the vibes.
The vibes. Come on, give me a little bit of your. Ar nahar tar nav gonefer tanim godagadurios gonenter the holeron dal.
Like not pushing gadas.
Tan vibe gadas. I am enjoying the vibe, but it's just. Listen, here we are, and it is a very glam church.
It's very glam, and
it's
you know
very
glam.
It's giving 16 chapel.
It's not giving the 16, hun.
It's
not giving the 16, the sweet 16 from our period. It's giving Madonna like a virgin.
Okay, we could do that's maybe more appropriate.
Yeah.
All that Madonna like virgin was missing was me on the fiddle to knock out a few reels and jigs.
But do you not love and I know good Shinroita going hand in is all the tackiness of a church. Like look at the ornate frames and the
but is it tacky?
Gold
it's like
leaf.
Antique. That's not tack. That's like antique, fine art.
Yeah, but if you were to have that in your house,
girl.
Do you know what I mean?
No, but not if it was fine. No, sorry, if it's a fucking €25 frame from some stores, maybe
the TV
version.
But
this is like high art. Do you know what I mean? I'm sure I've been making great strides, by the way, in getting my nude picture commissioned. By the way,
go on.
Tarlu,
bPáras.
No, not bPáras. It would be very chic.
Yeah.
Lads, you've no idea the bloat that I have in Paris because I'm having 2 pastries a day because obviously when in Paris. But
fresh and thoroughly in sin agus to Harthalia. I don't know what it is. We've had this chat multiple times, but it's as soon as I go abroad and the weather's any bit humid. It's
I know, but it's not humid here. It's very like the same. It's such an climate anachasula shamala failar except without the rain. But Rudger Yennemer, and I never thought I'd be this girl, but a run in the morning when you're away. It makes such a big difference.
Yeah.
It's sickening, isn't it?
We need to toss a gun too, lads. So we're on show bPáras, right?
Yes.
Landal Michenne and Thomas Jane our show bio enough. So when you listen to this, the timeline will be this is the morning of the night.
The morning of the night before.
Of the live show.
Yeah.
So enough in Ovanina, Thomas Jane show bio enough. So Landal Michenne,
Yes.
Darren, you've been sussing out. She's been doing all the market research. Me and us and bPáras.
Yes.
And it was great to finally get over. So Rúisig an bheirt sorry, bhí like duch no go going very sensible
Very
here.
sensible now. I have been on the lash for the last like 4 or 5 nights. So I was shagged, I was yawning away. Tá mo gur fuair helen selling chomá, my sister's here, agus tá Cara Morling Darrow so we had a couple of duch rare.
Yeah, on a sensible altogether. Bhí mar slabig I'd say héanachlog. Then alarms off your madden, chumreg ri. The Strava gals ourselves.
Oh, I'm telling you.
Agus Yenamar 6K.
Sorry, Yenamar 6K, and you never explained to me why Jarlath Regan.
Yeah.
I was friends with you on Strava.
Okay, fun fact, nílach dech ordigum like by design or Strava, we're being weirdos or Strava,
right?
I
know, they want to know. They can follow,
agus yen me
botún.
Really?
I know, very good.
Oh my God, hilarious, but Kamate mar sin, so yen me botún Erin Radio Cúpla Blino hin, and I gave out my Strava handle. I don't know why, because I thought it was more quick the Rúchlán and Chiapas Commiache really, I didn't think of them being able to map you to your door or will to in the phone
and only 10 people follow
if you're touching about so then no I had to delete, I had to get rid because we like Dini it was anyway we won't even get into it was not great so all of these strange older middle-aged men that listen to FM were like, oh, you live like texting being like talking about the routes I was running. So anyway, had to end that account. Agus so now Tom Príváideach, sorry if you want to creep, Tom Príváideach agus nílach decóide gum. But so hosig Jade of Dúchlan Eller Strava, because you know me, I like the running challenges. Agus we make her on 6 o'clock to lower, right? And I got this notion, like Machara Rebecca, that we might go and do a run in. It's something that Sonia O'Sullivan does. Is she Skipperine a Clonakilty? Skipperine?
She's Skib, I think.
It's all taken near her Kirky. It gets everyone together and it's like a 10K, right? The Sonia O'Sullivan 10K. So me and Rebecca were like, we'll do this. She does it, led Jarlath Regan, okay?
Right.
So we signed up between the jigs and the reels.
Is that the comedian guy?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Irishman abroad.
Irishman. Okay,
so, but he did this whole running thing with Sonia O'Sullivan. I don't know the ins and outs anyway, but they're on a Vorlin Kayla. So I met him once. This is so random. What a pairing. But anyway, Vula Slesh, Erin 6 o'clock show, and I was like, Charlotte, would you believe I'm signed up for the Sonia O'Sullivan thing and I saw you were doing it, this, that and the other. And he said, well, go Gadirach and add me on Strava. So this was like Blian O'Hin. Anyway, once you skip few near Yen May on run, Lasagna.
Okay.
I don't know how the Horley Rish be banished now to go to Derry Shaft and Kena. But myself and Al, Charlotte Boyo have stayed Strava pals. August dog she troch their madden.
And what's his 5K time?
Oh, he's classed on a hopper fad, yeah.
Really?
But he does long running, like marathons.
We did, so just to circle back to a couple of Blino when the girls slagged me for my shy 5K time, which was, I think, 30 minutes.
I know, you were like truck a shock, or they
no,
crack
it absolutely was not.
There were two where they can crack machine, no you did. Girl, but don't pick that up, it took us a fair amount of time to share.
I was going to say it took us 40 minutes to share kilometre names, so I haven't got no faster in the couple of years.
Conversational pace. We're like, it's talking Gabra Ray.
Gabra. But anyway, we feel great about ourselves in this competition, didn't we? Yeah. So that was good news. And then Homer Agor blowdries, 2 fucking shite blowdries. Sorry, I'd also like to preface this because this is so niche for any of the blonde girls out there that are killed by the hard water.
Yeah.
€150 I spent to get like another toner in my hair, only for it to come out the exact same colour that it was when I went in. Gick. That was actually such a rip-off. We didn't dwell on that too much.
No.
Because,
just orient the kai to fodder English. When it's something like that, you should let it go and it's happened to you on holidays and you're like, I've gotten stung. I don't know, Dana and Butch and Kane are reached Streetella. Like, don't get your hair come prepared. Like, why didn't we get the blow dry in Erin? Well,
I couldn't sure to mind me. But anyway, look, let that be a lesson. I'm on a jealous now looking at the shade. So we did that, and then Homer got a little omelette and a little glass of champagne.
Like, it takes very little, honestly, to make me a happy girl. And I think the little trifecta is exercise na madina, blow dry ma, agus glina champagne.
Girl, you're
that's
an
me
easy
made
date.
up, isn't
You're
it?
an expensive, but you're an easy date.
At least I'm consistent in what I like, though. You know what I mean?
No, absolutely. You've been harping on about that now. Let Tamil father. So, how to in a shachtan show. Well, before we get into how to in a shachtan show, tá Ryan Fogarty again, because not only are we doing our little live show Paris enough, but we're going to be in London, and Tríú dteagmháil Márta. We're also going to be in the Cork Opera House and Ocht Las Fahid. I'm fucking buzzing for the Cork Opera House and Ocht Las Fahid. That's going to be very lit.
It is. I feel like it's the last time we were in Cork. I can't remember why we were flying away or anything.
Yeah.
But on our show, we have got big plans. We're Dolamach, we're going to have, I just think it's going to be a great before, middle and ending. It's a great weekend.
Yes, great.
And it's Friday night.
And it's a Friday. Is it a Friday? No, it's girls. It's a Saturday night.
It's a Saturday.
It's a
Even
Saturday
better.
night. Even better.
Even
See
better.
now, geez, we can't organise her at all.
No.
Chunig me Gael, Kevin Toomey. Did you see his Gael last year? And he's like, I'm Grandma, we're at the Cork Opera House. And I was like, oh my God, that's so cool. And then he panned out again. And we were on the side of the building. And I was like, there you go. That is a big moment.
Well,
yeah. Someone's going to have to go down to Cork now and take a video of that.
Oh my God.
That's very
Come
pinch
out and
me.
Lewin.
Oh my God, please take
Oh
a
yeah,
video
yeah,
of
yeah.
that. Oh my, that's
Cage from
very
Cage.
pinch me
Sorry,
moment.
Chunig me on scale of you Gael Insta, and I was like, oh, I hope that they put our big poster on the side of the opera.
They did.
They did.
Now, it's not as big as the Anne Grandman poster,
Okay,
but look, fair
just
enough.
full
They're
time.
the biggest stars of Cork City, so
Yeah.
we'll allow that. Yeah,
Oh, come
isn't that so
on.
exciting?
Up the rebels, yeah.
Up
soon
the
more
rebels.
Lishin.
And then, of course, let me talk to you Bailachlia Easter Sunday, lads, for the biggest party. Empty out your Lent boxes, because Bailachlia on the 5th of April is going to be the biggest gig.
Kosher Nakoska, it's
Yes.
an ambassador.
Buzzing, buzzing, buzzing.
So good. And get a ticket like while they're hot and come along and
While they're hot, while they're fresh out of the oven, get
fresh
your
out of the
tickets,
oven.
right?
Well, we'll tell you what now, we'll be able to report back as far in our Gael Epella, because enough I feel like the show, this is kind of the official Gael show now.
The show. I know, Anna, exciting. And Louise has been on the PowerPoint, which let me tell you, She New York, we miss you.
Yeah.
Her graphic
Níl na
design
scileanna mar an
leaves a lot to be desired. But listen, it's the
Do you know
jokes
what?
that matter.
No, I was actually in Dublin Airport, right, coming to Paris, and I was like, if anyone looks over my shoulder and sees what I'm editing, they're going to be like, is she doing like a school project
Oh my God,
on
you're
like
crazy.
fucking art, you know?
Wrong
Like,
specialta
I'm
over
so wrong specialta. I was like, oh my God, I don't even know the fans carried agus, so I just envy anyone with the skill in it.
Yeah, with the skill.
Like, I'm really a buddy
Stick to
suck.
the outfits and the blowdries that'll keep you done.
Shin.
Info, well, Tommy's full video, and of course, Tommy to our Patreon. If you want to have a little listen to the Patreon action, Asian show. Vor, well, let's go call this Voran.
Literally?
VORE.
No, Ríomhphost.
Okay, this is the fantasy of being eaten, a fantasy of being eaten or eating another person.
Oh, Jesus.
Sorry, do you know what?
Yeah.
Anytime we do the Patreon ad, always reminds me of Blind Boy. And what a bomb that was dropped. A rare.
Yeah, near eight may let an option, but I know, so cool of me, Toposh you get.
Tapashi, Blind Boy. Everybody's having kids now. Shiva New York, you set the trend.
Started.
No, a 2 and a 4-year-old.
Well, fair
Yeah.
play. Honest to God, like, I will say something about Blind Boy.
I think it's so chic that he didn't say anything about it. I think that's
Good
fucking
to
deadly.
Yeah.
Isn't that?
Yeah.
Very cool.
He has got a great way, doesn't he, of keeping his whole life under the radar. I suppose, I mean, the man wears a plastic bag or
yeah,
like,
there you go.
shit on cage road, but like,
Yeah.
isn't it a great way to have that like anonymity for your kids?
Oh, 100%. Yeah.
You know,
have you seen those ads that people have about sharing your kids' stuff?
Yeah,
Arlena.
I know.
And
I'll just
cinemas
sign share.
and stuff. I think they're really come on.
And also, like, you wouldn't believe they're Blind Boys' kids unless they had little plastic bags in their heads.
I know, yeah.
Like, can you imagine doing like Fosney is living up, right? Which I can
little 4-year-old with a vape.
yeah, I can attest to it being like you'd want to be able to take a slag at the best of times, and then can you imagine if you're like Blind Boy's young one, like it is going to be dapper on a good day. So like, I think go ahead, start. Go on to your I go on dating.
I can just do OUD, which is my
I shouldn't
take
kind
off
of carry.
It is, but that's how Declan Hannon says OUD.
It was it. Come here, I want to. Dart,
see, I
go to
can't.
Dart Davis.
Oh, Dart Davis,
The way
yeah.
Dart talks, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a tree grown out of the soil, and my leaves are grown out of my branches.
I'll tell you one thing, they can say something about the Parisians and the accents. So wait till you hear Louise Canton speaking like a Limerick man.
Yeah.
There you go, she know that entirely.
I'll take it for a ride in my horse outside, you know.
I know.
So it's kind of, actually, can I do a heart of a nasally lish?
Yeah.
You know.
Okay. Well, listen, we'll have to do a how to be from Limerick, I can tell it, but in Tachtenshaw, how to is how to be from Paris. No, how to be Parisian.
How to be French, baby.
How to be French. There you go, we got there eventually. Okay, so this is inspired. Well, listen, you know, you've been saying it now. I've been doing my market research, scooting about and team flyer, bPáras and againn.
I can tell you now who the fools are. It's you at home, because we all need to get onto the fucking Dear Nilach schedule.
I know.
Come to Paris and just entertain for a month. It's fucking great. Play the fiddle a few times. And Mariaga will shake up her. She's having a fucking ball.
I know, I'm having a ball.
We're missing a trick.
Yeah, it was really great because we card, so we na mulligans bPáras car more lim jafurcha vider how kai so hen. Den had ik me vaher, ma antini, ma refor, now you're over the card eile le mutacht rinne seachta. I know, crazy. We're having so, but sure, I've never felt as loved.
Yeah.
But then it's also like, sure, just jump on a cheap ride and you're flying over. Do you know what I mean? It's so miserable, Savannah. But I'm delighted I'm paying. But I have been doing some market research on how to live like French wine.
Right.
Now, Louise is a massive Francophile.
Yeah, is even lum on rank. Always have, always will. Don't know what it's about. I think I like. It's the airs and graces and the notions.
I know, you do. You love the airs and graces, girl.
I do.
You do. But are you surprised, Cechos, because Tammy's a Latin quarter here, which is not going to be in like the students are fat. Are you surprised at like Cecho Caja school?
You see, but I think it's not necessarily cash, it's chic.
It's chic.
It's chic.
It's chic.
It's chic, because like our cash can look scald against Grummas the Valle. I think me and she just chic. Like, I'm like, no makeup. I didn't try, but I'm actually really trying. Thought like on steel chin down to a T.
Down to a T. I know, because it looks like they've made absolutely no effort, but they look really good. See, they would never leave the house without brushing their hair. Would you leave the house? I would always leave. Oh, well, no bother to me. Like.
We know that.
I can be very scruffy.
I suppose branche. I would say now I'd always do something through it, or I'd tie it up or something.
Yeah, tie it up or something, yeah.
Dúirt in alum actually le Déine ag an obair that they've never seen me, which is hilarious, come to work in like athleisure wear or wearing anything. And I was like, no, it wouldn't be my vibe at all. I very much am the type of person that would reserve that.
Dressed.
Kind of.
And I agree with you on like I might get dressed and I won't be looking great, but I hate mooching around in the bits. You know what I mean? Now, I do have a pair of Adidas tracksuits bottoms that I'm very attached to.
Yeah, but they're stylish at the minute. Do you know, it's like a Dana Verthagant V Hebe Brianna Mar show radio or speed date Ladani. And she told me that 2 men were there in tracksuits. I was like, if you were coming to put your best foot forward. Now, no shade in the tracksuit. Maybe it's this Pelador moment. Vibey.
Yeah, I was going to say, were they vibey tracksuits?
Dúirt she nach rev. I suppose that's subjective. It's each to their own style as that. But like, wouldn't you think if you're going on an out date and you wanted to present yourself? I don't know. Maybe that's...
I know, that's a simile.
Can a tracksuit be chic?
A tracksuit can be very chic. I wore a pair of tracksuit. I really like this outfit. I wore a pair of tracksuit with a pair of heels near New York. And I thought it was a very chic outfit with a little blazer. And I felt really chic about that. Or I like them. I got a new pair of pink Adidas and I'm going to wear them with pumps. And I think that's very chic.
You see, maybe we're the issue, not the tracksuits.
No, Louise is very like, I don't know how I feel about this.
Do you know what? It's all about the hanger. Don't let the clothes wear you. You have to wear the clothes.
You've got to wear the clothes. Well, that's...
So if you're a calf tracksuit, you be chic.
You be chic. Well, okay, simil. Now, there's the chicness of it all, but on a very practical level, myself and Louise got our fucking arses handed to us. Well, it started off Trish Armadan. We went into the boulangerie, so in the Emily in Paris boulangerie, where she goes hanging out all the time, and she's actually been shushed in that boulangerie in Emily in Paris before. In the two of us fucking land, a Gael and
shush.
Well, no, it was actually the one in front of you that they shushed.
But it was actually on Van of Tape here than Mhuintir was like. Did a big like communal shushing.
Bring down the volume.
Bring down the volume the noise. Like,
sorry, I know it's a bit over the top now, to be honest. But I kind of love the attitude.
Love it. And then Humor Stachens and Gurgador. This was the best ever into the hairdresser we trot. Not once, thrice. We were told
shush. And there's no one else except ourselves in the fucking hairdresser shop. It was ridiculous.
But I don't know, do you know what I mean? I love the way they don't feel. Do you know Tá in town, and you said it earlier there, and maybe it's like the colonizer attitude where we'd nearly be like, oh jeez, I couldn't be telling someone to shush in Éireann.
100%. Well, Siobhan O'Rourke tell someone to shush.
Actually, Siobhan O'Rourke would tell someone to shush. Tell us to shush.
But it's I never felt like such an ignorant old American as Gael and they were probably looking at us being like, oh, because we were allowed to mirror the logs, we were allowed to like near Beerler Vaca, and I was like, oh my god, we are the ignorant Americans. We are the Emily in Paris.
I hate feeling like the dope done Amadan come on, because when we were sitting down as well getting the hair done, right? So we'd started, the place was empty until the two of us came in. Then this older woman was getting her blow dry done as we were leaving. And us two fucking apes, right? They'd curling tongues out and they were kind of doing an average job on us. And I looked over and I was just thinking,
the brush is going 90.
The brush is going, giving your one the most chic. And I was like, they're after giving us the tourist job.
No,
they're after being like these Egypts or tax shop.
Sorry, I'm going to tell you now, scan this. For toner Mahruig, and we got 2 curly blow dries. €200.
I know, lads.
Sorry, talk about if we keep talking about that now, it's going to put me in really bad form. Sorry, where are they fucking going? And the bother was we didn't have the French to be like, what are you at?
I know.
So we couldn't row with them about it.
I know.
Now, fuck them, it's going to be put in that form.
So that's one thing about being
that's one
French.
thing. If you need to shush plentifully and give a shit blow dry or have a shit blow dry.
No, not necessarily. The French have them so chic. We're the idiots. It's like they see tourists coming and it's well, she's like Niels, they're holier than thou.
Also, the French don't bleach their hair the way we do.
Yeah,
they don't. They're too chic.
We're not giving out about the bleach.
No, we made that mistake before. We've just gotten back into the bleach, thanks be to God.
The
mental health
thanks be to God
benefits of bleaching your hair is great, isn't it?
Phenomenal. No, it totally is. But yeah, it's not. You're right. Rud éigean tánias ná dúrtha anseo is an stíl agus gacrad.
Yeah.
It's not as try hard.
No, not as try hard. No, 100%. There's but if you mesh dig a meal in láfiar lumhain agus fi mar an phone lum bháthair agus fi mar labhairt an gailge agus I got shushed by myself by an old man, and he shushed me in English as well, which really annoyed me because I was like, "Ní me labhairt merely, you don't know what."
I could be saying.
But I'd say just he knew by the cut of me.
So on Rud tá ann there is like mass. Is it like respect for being in a public place?
John, it's really unchic to be shouting in public.
Yeah.
And that's actually what I was like, if you listen to the volume, it was like, you know, we're women to be talking to Jesus, you can hear us shouting across the bars.
I know, but what is the thing? Like, why do Irish people feel the need to be
so loud?
Or,
and so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it because of years of not being oppressed that now you're like, by God, you'll hear me now?
I know,
do you know, will Rud éigean rishin to am?
You know?
You know, because they're so like nonchalant in Paris. They're like,
yeah.
We don't need to make a scene.
But you see, we need to be funny.
They're like, I'd be
humorous.
Bulldozing in places.
Oh no, totally. But
like,
we need to be funny and humorous because tá siad effortlessly attractive. So we need to bring the funny and humorous attractiveness. Do you know what I mean? All we have to keep us going is the shit blowdries. We don't have the.
But like, we also are. Sorry to sound so American here, but we're the home of the céagmháil of bheirt.
Yeah.
Like Irish people are by nature cordial, and I think we love the crack of the chats. And we love the crack of, I adore eavesdropping. Yeah. If people were shushed in an Irish, what good would I get out of going for a nosy coffee on my own if all my neighbours in the cafe were quiet? Sure, I'd love to be listening to Nora and Mary.
And then to sugar coffees, I think.
Agus mé, like, a gobber is the chahar. If I'm in an hour to spare, I'm dull between meetings or whatever, I'd nip in somewhere. And I love nothing more than being a fly on a wall in my neighbour's loud conversation. Yeah. Hook it to my veins.
Yeah.
I'm knee deep in the scandal and I'm trying to figure it out for them, you know?
You're doing the tracing, Kate. No.
Yeah.
But to the Francacha, well, they should really dervaisach. Well, I don't mean like shitting all over them because like there's loads of, they're really hot as well. Like that's a good point. But I should Anna Gervaisach, like they have no time for that riff-raff. They couldn't be arsed sitting in a geisha the egg and tell it. Do you know what I mean? Dog my restaurant in Láfiar because Vian waiter just go and Fraince vi go Gervaisach and I was afraid to sit there and like continue. I was like, I can't take this shit off this man and then pay €40 for the pleasure of it. Do you know what I mean?
But you know what's so gas? You're playing them at their own game there because he's probably like, whatever, leave.
Oh yeah, he didn't give a fuck. Didn't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Well, Aoibh Myrna as well, this is the big activity to do. And like you can have all your list of museums and this and that, but like mooching around and having a glass of wine is like number one activity. Oh, 100%. Yeah. So my Hainix will go forward, Jennifer Shinane, and she was like, I wonder how many glasses of wine are sold a day in Paris.
Go on, what is good?
Well, she googled it. 74 million glasses of wine are sold a day in France.
Yeah.
So surely a large proportion of that is from Paris. But it's the number one activity. Yeah. So you have to be able to drink wine. To drink wine.
Is Queen Lumner if you make Tafet Chlor, he is in Marseille, baby. If you've ever been to Marseille, right, it gets a bad enough name because it's like, it's a big port and there's a lot of immigration coming in and going out and whatever, and it can be rough and oshna. And anyway, I was on a boat with this man, right? Fucking a gas experience. Older French man, not a word of English. Now, Seans go raibh an bear like him, maar actually chiaapam gur hic sé gachrad, but he'd no more interest in the man on the moon than trying to talk English or promote me. He was getting paid to bring me out in a boat and get this shot agus bhí sin an road, right? Okay. That was all he had to do. So he landed on like nonchalantly and late, absolutely after a few glasses of wine, and like, where else would you get this? Like, so this is a professional, she says, outfit, filming a TV show, right? So we land onto the boat anyway.
Kind of like you, professional, after having a few glasses of wine, gone on to do your live show.
So anyway, on we go to the boat, and let's just call him Pierre, okay? Pierre, like, up the anchor, grand, we're maybe 2 minutes, we're pulling out of the port, right? And we look back at Pierre, agus é goscailt buidéal fian, dó hain, to give himself a little tinkle as he drives on. And we were like, okay, maybe this is part of an rather fault, you know? So he's like lashing into the wine as we go. He's like telling us in Francacha, will kosher get on Tronolish, and he's like essentially being like, oh no, I'm only getting this done, but I'm going to drink away here and you work away. Like it's come as fuck, mission just on so, like Shannon Mion, and he was kind of like, sure, of course I can do my day's work. Agus be go like an am clean it.
Now, do you know what? That
bit of you. Darren and Pierre down in Maps.
Oh my God, I'm give him my number.
The back of the boat on the middle. Yeah.
But I was just going to say, I don't think that's that far in a concept. How many outlads are around rural Ireland having a couple of pints before they go in to do the day's work? Or like, do you know what I mean?
Before they go in to do the day's work.
Oh my God, definitely at lunchtime. That was a huge thing now. No, definitely at lunchtime. Like, they'd be in for a future. That's only very recently Trish era againn. Bhí sé sinna going that we've been westernised. We used to be a country that you could be fucking proud of. You go in for a bowl of soup and a pint at lunchtime.
We actually had this chat at Dulawale. Yeah, a pint and a bowl of soup at lunchtime. We had this chat yesterday with our friend Dara about in the 80s, my father would say it would be weird to finish a work shift and not go for a pint. They went for a pint gach ila law. Heish,
call me Fanny Smoke Soolish the Francacha session on a
very
chic.
chic.
Oh my God, I think so. But no, it's not as chic if you're going in for like a half roast and 4 pints of Guinness. Do you know what I mean? But like,
or if you're like tearing a boat out with the camera crew into the Mediterranean. I was like, all right, Pierre, like glass number what is this?
No, you're not. You fucking weren't that.
No, I was loving it. But it was just like, I was like, maybe we have become so westernised in Ireland. And it's so sad, isn't it?
That's the big
you can't drink, it's hill.
Yeah. Well,
penalty points. Be Cormac Pierre. Giselle pull you.
No, thank you. We have become very westernised. Very westernised, which is very tragic. We need to be in bPáras and Gael revival to we'll bring back the pubs. But Neil and Space Ken and Dina Vego.
Yeah. Well, also as well, I want to be Cormac and Einrod because I did see some of the comments on our Instagrams last week being like, Louise loves it, she's fond of the drink. It could be an issue. Like obviously everything in moderation.
I think that's Fince because I was like, who the fuck is this? Sorry, I'm gonna blow my nose now. This is rotten. I'm absolutely crippled by a cold.
Okay, that was a small break for Darren to blow her nose.
Sorry, blow my nose.
In the Lord's home.
Lord. We made all the oh Lord. We made rather. I think. Oh my God, what is wrong with my head? My thought is gone. We were caught me out. Sorry. That person who commented under the Instagram. That's a Finsta. That's a Finsta. I was wondering, was that fucking weird?
So whoever
Finsta
you
person?
are out there.
Yeah.
Rest assured, my drinking problem is under control.
Yeah, fair play.
It's only a problem if you think it's a problem. It's not a problem to me at all.
It's all about the story you tell yourself, Louise.
I'll tell you now, though, what I'm having a problem with. Okay. No, it's actually, what's the opposite to a problem?
Like,
no issue.
No issue.
Pas de problème.
Pas de problème.
So I'm having pas de problème, les cheveux en ce moment, because I'm trying to grow her, right? For no reason other than I've been inspired, to do this Olsen tuck. I want to be able to walk around Paris with, like, my new jacket.
Yeah.
You'll see it hopefully soon.
You want to see Louise's new jacket. It is a thing of beauty. Tasha really.
So I want to be able to have a high collar.
She won't tell us how much she spent on it, so it's probably really spending.
Get your Finsta out and Google it.
Yeah.
But I want to be able to do show like Orna, Zoomer, and Chacha. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. No.
Where the girl gets tuck all to stach.
See what all you're missing there now is that's very Edna O'Brien. You're missing a fag. Yeah. A fag now would look incredibly chic.
But
there.
like, isn't it?
Yeah. No, it's
tucked in.
No, girl.
Yeah,
absolutely.
Yeah.
No, it's the moment.
The Parisian tuck.
The Parisian tuck. The bother is right. See, if you have a really good man there, a top big high neck, you got marchin. Does it work?
Well, you're not tucking it into a fucking string top, like.
No, I know, but shouldn't Tom Ira like? I'm better than you see, you love to wait now. Could he on oars?
Scarf, no relevant. Well,
girl, you're fond of the
scarf. Anyway, the Olsen tuck. Yeah.
Okay.
Bring it back.
So that's exciting.
Yeah, that's exciting.
This is big. I'm sure be at the edge of their seat.
If anyone
I
sees
can hear
me,
the Patreons signing up now to see Louise. I was telling her she should get onto a bit of collagen. Run a bit of collagen.
Oh, I know. I do.
Yeah.
You won't know me for the summer. I'm letting the hair grow. I'm going to be in my long bob, maybe shoulder length girl hair.
And her expensive jacket, lads. You'd want to see this expensive jacket now.
I would want to be in it. I know that Tasha.
No, yeah.
And you know when you'll be most jealous is when you try it on. I'll let you try it on.
Will you?
Oh, you're going to want to buy it. I'll give you a go. It's one of these coats, lads. I'll just say to you, it'll bring you.
It's kind of 70s. It's very chic. No, it's gorgeous. It's actually, I might start getting annoyed about this because I'm so jealous of the coat. But it's fab. It's just it'll go in every single life. Do you know what now? It was a ballsy purchase because such a kind of out, like it's a bit out there.
But Gadir nor Churs Arme. Do you ever have that moment and you're like, the Cinderella
I know,
shoe.
yeah.
Like,
You
I
just
didn't
knew-
get it
you
with my
knew
wedding
this was
dress, but I
exactly
got it
what
with this. I was like, it's coming for Costas.
But you know what?
She's made for me.
It's very
Yeah.
French,
Oh,
very
Grandmother's,
Parisian,
yeah.
very French. It's a like investment thing.
Yeah.
You know, I bought a very expensive coat in Ríomhphost ar Truss Giddy America on Francacha, the Rixo.
Yeah.
And I nearly killed me. Now, for my right lascana air, but it nearly killed me. I wear it all the time and I get compliments about it all the time.
Yeah.
But I was mad about the coat at first, and then as soon
Fell
as
out
I
of
got it, I
love.
was like, but Vishay Rogue, I'm married to it now.
Yeah.
You know, I need to get another couple of years wear out of that. Like that coat.
But
has got
Torley
to
and
do the
Tishin,
rounds.
I think you can fall out of love with things like that.
Yeah.
Like, do you know what they say about sometimes the wedding dress effect that you buy? Some people are like, don't mind this nonsense if you have to get it a year in advance.
Yeah.
Because then you could love something, fall out of love with it, and
Fall out of
then
love it.
there's something else like Coluas thought
Like
to.
all the men in my life.
Well, Sinead, choose them well. If you see a
them
man that resembles my leather coat, get on him.
Get on him. Get on him.
Tell us, Darren, about the Paris effect.
Okay, Paris syndrome.
Right.
So I'm going to tell you about this. This is chronic now. This is
Go on,
when
go on.
I lay them off. Okay. Paris syndrome is when a person is so heavily disappointed by their experience of Paris that they get physical symptoms like hallucinations, rapid heart rate, dizziness, and nausea. Now, this was actually named by a psychotherapist. Now, I'm going to fucking butcher this.
Yeah.
Hiroki Ota Sneide.
Yeah.
So there you go.
But
Now-
I get that so much with Paris, right? Because I don't know, I've been to France like so much growing up,
times,
right?
yeah.
So I have this, I know in my what France is like, and I get it, okay?
Yeah.
But I think if you romanticize the idea of Paris,
Yeah.
you're picturing that you're landing in for a romantic walk under the Eiffel Tower by the Seine.
Yeah.
Mona Lisa's waving out the window at you.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah, it's
we
not.
see
That's
it
not it. Yeah,
on
yeah.
Tower Fod.
No, 100%. And do you know what,
Yeah.
another city that can happen to you is New York
Yeah.
City, because it's like the Nancy Meyer movies, the Nora Ephron of it all.
Yeah.
Whereas Paris is funny because it kind of lives in your imagination as this magic place, not so much in movies.
I know, and then it's like you land on a freezing cold day to the Eiffel Tower. There's scaffolding everywhere.
Oh my
the
God,
queues are awful. You're shivering with
and
the cold.
smelly, and the place is fucking full
People
of
are trying to sell you fucking key rings, 3 foot of tenner, and you're like,
I know. You have to live in the reality of a place as
Paris.
opposed to the
Yeah.
romantic notion. But a kind of romantic notions, like that, we touched a little bit on it with the chicness, because they're not going to go chic. But the men are so hot.
Yeah, the men are so hot. The
Even
girls are so hot.
And they're sorry, if you
Yeah.
see she's a hair croissant, Nisluha, and like this man was walking past and Louise is like, oh my God, he's so hot. And he was wearing a pair of turned up
Yeah.
jeans and a pair of
New
shitty
Balances.
New Balance runners. And I was like, the outfit is dire, but he looks great.
I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It's like,
It's the je ne sais quoi.
it's the
So
winning.
you colonise me, baby.
Yeah, it's the, isn't it?
Yeah,
There's
yeah.
something, honest to God, like confidence is everything.
Yeah, well, Tam Winnie
There
now,
it is.
Tam Winnie now Glauder. But the only other brother is, do you know, Cata, on like this is really disgusting now. But Neil and they don't believe in deodorant, and you can fucking get the whack of BO or into like, you know, what I did in church fair. I go, no, seriously.
And you're
men
saying
and
that
women.
that's- yeah.
Men and women. No, you
Yeah.
can. They find it very sexy.
But it
Lar
probably-
mar mi ar
yeah,
Sean Hanaheim, now
yeah.
they've a token ballad in a féin
Yeah,
hospital.
what's that called again? It's like a pheromones, yeah.
Pheromones. But you can fucking smell it off people sometimes walking behind them in the street.
Oh, yeah, well, maybe it's a sign of like, it's like the long nails in China. We don't have to do hard labour. Maybe the sweat is like, I've been working hard. I don't know. Like,
I know.
Is there what they can find?
But you know, le tágart actually Emily in Paris is Queen Ono Kahana Rollum. There was some scene there last year, and it was like Emily rode this fella, and he was like, "Oh, I'm not going to shower now, so that I have the scent of you on me for the day." I was like,
Yuck. Yuck na shock na. Yuck na shock. Yeah.
I know. But then you'd be like, how smelly does someone have to be that you'd have the smell of them on you for the day? Do you know what I mean?
Do you know what I would love to hear, right? 2 French girls sitting in a chapel in Dublin recording this episode about being Irish.
Yeah,
and
being
they'd be like,
sexually repressed.
and then he said he wasn't going to wash his hands after the silage. And he ate the dinner with the muddy hand.
No, but you know, it's my
No.
kink. It's my
Like-
life's affair. Nervy and they're in the lava Atlantica.
Well, tell me, you aren't farming right in rural Ireland if there isn't fucking
If
dirt
there's
under your nails.
Dirt under the nails.
Do you know?
I know.
And the callous hands. I've said this often. I have an Uncle John, and I swear to God, when he shakes my hand, I'm like, is that on Lava because it's like some kind of a, I don't know what the fuck. Over the years
Over
of
the years
battering,
of-
and he was a paver. You know, he used to do these like paving,
Yeah.
and farming, all this crack, and his hands are just like,
Really?
yeah. Do you know, like, and it's like a mechanic's hand as well.
Yeah.
Anyone who works leis na lábha.
Yeah, give me a
You know.
yeah, go láidir.
I don't know.
Sorry, I've made so many references to Edna O'Brien for láir, but tá mé léamh a memoir agus tá sí, or dhéann sí tagart just in Rutger Lane Mayor Madden of this Tipperary man who was working in London. He had like this big high-powered job in theatre. She was like, but you could tell straight off the bat that he was an Irishman from the cut of his hands and the glint in his eye. And I was like, do you know what? So there you go. Marsimu suis, right? The French may be effortlessly sexy. They may be chic as fuck. They may have delicious food and wine or whatever. But listen,
I want a man who bulldozes in the door of the pub after work and orders a round for everyone. I mean,
so there you go. I mean, look, tá dárad le mulla.
Tá.
Yups agus iachs na seachtaine.
Okay, well, Yopal Vor is a tafod episode bio bPáras.
I know, that's very exciting, Gurney enough. Can I tell you another yup? Sorry, I forgot to say this.
Either.
Good news for me is I have finally been promoted on Aer Lingus to the silver tier. So it means that I can go for a shower in the Aer Lingus lounge if I want to, if I get caught. Which I only know that you can do that because Owen O'Cahan sometimes, our Cara Owen does it. There you go.
And maybe it won't be you that needs showering. You could be sending your potential lover in for a shower before you do the mile high riding.
Frenchman, get him in there now, go shower.
Like, don't worry about it, Pierre. I've got the access to the shower.
Hey, hold the shower topics are around about it. Yeah.
I know, so now
it's my delighted lesson to my church on the Yehalach, Dole Aer Lingus and Hammerfad, Balu, Suas, the Pointy, Agus, Edin of Muchud. Now, listen, I mean, need Chegama, obviously, lesson team pluck, but on the Uber is. Points Ibra.
You're in the sky, Gominnick.
In the sky, flying high, girl. So we my chicks in Aer Lingus lounge, and there you go. So Aer Lingus silver tier.
Like
girl.
I do think if you'd be in an awful state of affairs now if you were leaving your showering to be done in the airport.
No, it'd be bad.
If you felt like you were that pressed up against it time-wise, well, I'll grab a quick shower in DAA before I head off. Like, I would hope for your own self.
I know, but
you'd have the majority of the showering down there.
The fucking price of heating your water these days. Absolutely. I'm going to have to put a few solar panels up.
It's probably cheaper to buy return flights and clock up the Aer Lingus Pointa. No, do you know what? Maybe is it like ideal if you're doing a third round or something?
Do you know, no, if you're doing like a connection or something like that. Yeah, something like that. Or like if you're just in a hurry, you know, when you're really hungry. I have had a few experiences as well, you know, puking outside the gate of JFK where I've been in the horrors and I'm like, a lovely shower now. I would be feeling like a new woman. So, you know.
Keep us posted.
I'll give you posted.
If you're showering down there, let me know.
Exactly what the water pressure is like, so you've that to look forward to. Agus cad mi aller yacht le seachtaine, cad tagad mar yacht le seachtaine.
And will she fair all to le raw shushing?
I was going to say French blowdries. Shushing agus French blowdries.
Yeah, well actually no, win the shushing, because shushing is just a culture thing. If you want to... I don't know, because I don't like to be shushed.
No, I absolutely do not like to be shushed. Absolutely not.
Yeah, unless you're going to apologise with it.
And more true is, on Ruger now is Fraince a Google translating to be like, how to tell the shutters to fuck off. They're Francacha. Anyway, sorry, so ignorant of us.
Fuck off, stupid
yeah.
Fuck off. Like, do you know sin Rodella agus is malam gomore nor a currentini on blas Francacha Aaron Maryland agus is oiden she'd like, you know. That's what you call like
I would like a croissant. Yeah, I mean,
fuck off, Pierre. Fuck off.
Fuck off, Louise. Right, close shaftana. Give it to me, girl.
Séipéal.
Shingama. Okay, séipéal. Immerkuch. Is an immigrant, gan Iris. Tresoricht, obviously, because táimid are mar tresori. Imasca, shingama, like integration. So, ma hamid na giri shinghaina in Vasca la culture in the Franca, you need to take up shushing full time. Yeah. We need to lower down the decimals. And just resign yourself to shy blowdries for this. Get rid of the BO, or get rid of the deodorant.
Yeah, get rid of the deodorant, or don't. And I'll give you one that is either on Gael, agus and Francacha. We haven't used it in a while. Someone that has a little je ne sais cad. Okay, Sinead Wenga on Tachtan Shaw, Kihimi Chiv on Tachtan Shachuing, agus Idar and Darlene. Slán! Agus Iasaliv. Jeez, there you go. Banach the day, bPáras. Slán!